Hey guys, what's up? This is Rich from Rich TV Live. So everybody's asking me about Bitcoin, and I've been telling you guys Bitcoin's going to be halving, and I told you guys I know what is the number one Bitcoin stock in the world. I told you guys I know the number one Bitcoin stock in the world, GBTC. The number one Bitcoin stock in the world is GBTC. I told you guys when Bitcoin was at 6,000, it was going to explode because of Bitcoin halving. Guess what? I was right. Now Bitcoin's at almost 10,000 and GBTC has gone from under $8 and it's now almost at $12. And I'm telling you right now, when Bitcoin explodes even more, GBTC will explode. And just remember where you heard first from your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We bring you the winners and we bring them to you first. It's true. Your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. And I'm out. Peace.